We had a lot of squash, so we got together with Yaya and made croquettes. First we washed them, and then we grated them. This was by far the most laborious part. Like hands hurting, taking turns. Then we dried them with a paper towel, took 2 of the berry eggs and whipped them up, diced our onions, added 3 cups of squash, and then our seasoning: cayenne, cumin, Lawry's, garlic, and black pepper. Little self-rising flour, mixed it up really good. Then we fried them. After a couple of minutes, we flipped them and we fried them a little bit longer. Then we pulled them off and let them cool and drip, and then we ate them. And man, they were so good.